Hello.
Alright.
Hey, how you doing, all right? Yes, ma'am. I'm really heavy yet, so don't go.
Alright.
Who's the best thing for you?
I'm not gonna say.
You again, see? She's going somewhere with a cutting, they say, how it, you know. Hopefully it never happens to me. But I know she's gonna look for that.
I know she gonna find one away.
Yeah,
Sure.
You know, specialists, you know?
Yeah.
Have a good one, okay?
Alright, you too.
Ooh, child. Hey, you guys. What is up? What is up? Anyways, guys, so it's the next day. The first clip which y'all saw was when the laundry people bring the laundry. That was yesterday, but they came pretty late, so I was not interested. And dealing with no laundry, putting up no laundry, okay? So yeah, so I'm just gonna do that now. Yeah, so let's do that now. So I'm done. That worked me up to sweat, y'all. I was sweating. Look at me. I'm soaked. Okay, and I just came on the top like, girl. But the day being like fairly cool, like it being like cool. I guess because I put on lotion and all that stuff, yeah. And I've been moving up and down, so but I've been liking the weather today. It been raining and cool breeze. Yes. So anyways, guys, so in the next hour or so, I'm gonna make me some salmon. How do you pronounce that? Salmon. You say salmon or salmon or sal. It's probably salmon. I don't fucking know. Anyways, I'm gonna cook me some of that. We had that before in a can. We tried it once, but it didn't taste like salmon. It just tastes like mackerel. I don't know. It didn't taste, but whatever. I don't want it salmon, so. And I couldn't afford to buy salmon, the big slab of salmon right now, so we're gonna get that probably next week. But I'm just gonna cook that with some veggies for my dinner, and yeah, I might cook some rice. I don't know. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's time to cook my. Ooh. So why I thought like get more herbs inside here. We don't have no more damn herbs. We only have onions. We have some lime, pepper, garlic. I don't have no sweet pepper, nothing like that. Oh God. Hold on. Yeah, so Brianna father don't want to go to the store, so this is what I have to work with. So this is all I have to do. Just onion and garlic and pepper and lime. This is what she's looking like. I don't look like salmon at all. Guys, so this is my dinner. The salmon mashed up so bad, okay, but that's okay. I still end up cooking some rice. Anyways, guys, so I'm done from eating. Now I'm about to bathe Brianna, but before I do that, I'm gonna wash out her tub with some Dawn. She bathed in this a few times, so after a few times, it's time to wash out. It's time to wash it out. Yeah. Cold? It's cold, mommy. Cold. Cold. Water cold? Or hot? Which one? Don't put it in your hair. My little thing. Watch what's out. Oh no. Goodness, you guys, so good morning. It's like 12 o'clock. I just got up like after 11. You guys, I'm so fucking tired. It's the next day. I'm tired. I didn't really have no sleep, and I have to go work. I need to get my workout in. I need to make me some coffee. I'm so tired. I don't know. Obviously because I didn't get no sleep like that. But jeez Louise, I need strength to work out. Anyways, let me go make me some coffee. Hopefully I feel better. Pee on the party. Everybody pee on the party. Everybody pee on the party. Everybody. Mommy pee. Pee. Yeah, you done? Pull it up now. Time to pull up. Yeah, I guess. So I made it through my workout. Oh, thank goodness. Oh God, I'm tired. I'm gonna cool down and jump in the shower. Then go make me some oats. But I hope your morning is going good. Afternoon, night, whenever you're watching this. Eat your food, yay! Trying to get it up. You want some help? Yay! Oh my God, the mess. Hey y'all. Anyway, so it's later on at night. I've been vlogging horrible, okay? Y'all, I tell you, like after that workout, I told y'all like I didn't have no sleep like that. So after my workout, I just chilled, okay? I didn't do nothing. And this vlog is just about time to end. So I was like, you know what, let me just finish off the vlog. Okay, I was tired today. And I had so much fucking, I don't know why having so much gas now. Like, girl. Yeah, Brianna's in that stuck in a bottle. I'm gonna get her dressed. The only thing I have to do is brush my teeth, get Brianna dressed, and probably watch a little bit of YouTube and go to bed, okay? Ain't nothing. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye. Good night. Kiss. Let baby give them kiss.